Yesterday, I don't know if you're here, one of the young boys, in this madness to take selfie, they hit Sonu Nigam in the forehead with his phone like this, talk. And he went like this, ah! I said, what are you doing, you know? No, selfie, selfie. The American Psychiatric Association has said selfie taking is a disorder. I always knew. But I have also taken 7 selfies. Have you seen them? Yes. I have taken 7 and I will continue to take wherever I see a river, but it's tough from now on to stop and take it, but you must take selfies only with rivers, okay? You taking a lot of selfies? Huh? You make yourself so beautiful that others will want to take a picture of you. Yes? But Sadhguru, how to become beautiful? Will you take me to Florida? No, that doesn't make you beautiful. A joyful face is always a beautiful face, isn't it? It's not the shape of the nose, it's not the shape of the chin or the color of your skin which makes you beautiful. You just look at a really joyful face, it's always a beautiful face, isn't it so? Just carry a joyful face and see, people on the street will take pictures of you. That's how it should happen. You clicking your own… What is that? And at least in the Isha meetings, please stop this selfie business, huh? Because it's getting unruly and uncivilized. Don't pull out your cell phones in the satsang and in another 20 minutes it'll be on the YouTube. What are you going to do with your cell phone? They're capturing with good cameras and they're going to put it out there, you download it and keep it in your phone. No, you want to capture it and in that you miss the entire satsang. This is happening to a lot of people. So you must stop it, not just you stop it, you must stop others who want to use technology to destroy themselves. See, this is such a fantastic thing. This phone is not a simple thing. Maybe all of you do not know what it was before we got these phones. I must tell you this. When we were building the foundation, when Isha Foundation is being built, I'm always, I don't have a phone book or a diary or anything, everything is here. So, I have to call lots of people. I have at least 800 to 850 numbers on my mind and their names and numbers. Local numbers, international numbers, everything. Today I cannot even remember my own number because of this cell phone. So, when I want to make phone calls, I just go to one of those blue boxes, STD, ISD, local, all that stuff. And blue color metal box which is hot and grills outside. So I go there and first thing is I pull out 5,000 rupees and give it to him. He looks at it, why? Because usually the calls are 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 100 rupees like this. I give him 5,000 bucks. So I said, just keep it, huh? Because he has to fight my battles. Then once I go into the booth, I will call for the next 2-3 hours. So others will come and say, what was that? But that guy will be taking care of them because I've already given him advance. What he would earn that entire day, he's making it up in 2-3 hours' time. So he's happy fighting my battle with all the people. So I keep on calling. On the highway, if I see a blue booth somewhere without too many people, I stop there and start my calls. Today, I'm driving, if I say the name, my phone calls. The convenience of that, not a small thing, it's a tremendous thing. Such a tremendous thing, don't make a nuisance out of it. Isn't it a tremendous convenience in our lives? Tremendous, never before was it ever possible. You can pull something out of your pocket and speak to somebody in America. When was it possible, ever? So don't make such a fantastic convenience into terrible nuisance that you thrust it in somebody's face all the time. Yes, it's very important because how you use those technologies also determines how you're going to use this technology. This has become a nuisance, your brain has become a nuisance, isn't it? Instead of giving you ecstasy, it is giving you headache. This is simply because you don't know how to use the technology, isn't it? Such a tremendous thing. It took millions of years to manufacture this, and now it's a mess. People are thinking with half the brain they would be better. Yes? So, I want you to use this rally in every possible way to enhance your own life. Your life should flow along with the rivers. It's very important.